Hey everybody, El Duderino here, and today we're introducing a new series called Healthy Cooking with the Dude. Now where did this idea come from? Well, Mrs. Dude. Thank you very much. So Mrs. Dude goes, "Dude, why don't you try some healthy cooking?" I thought, okay. Any suggestions? And the first thing out of her mouth was kale. Oh God, you ought to see Steve. I gotta take a picture of this. We gotta recreate it. Hold on. Kale. That's exactly what it was right there. So anyhow, kale. What the hell do you do with kale? So I asked her, "What's your idea with kale?" She goes, "Well, maybe a sandwich or a salad or with chicken." Kale. Yeah, right. So when I went to the grocery store and picked up kale, I came up with a cool idea. So we're going to take our kale. Watch this. Yeah, check it out, Zoe. Check it out. That's called trash can. No, that's called Kale Ala Trash Can. Guaranteed to be the healthiest trash can around. Anyhow, just kidding, guys. What we are thinking about doing is possibly some shorts, things like the Dude shorts, where we make little things and just like little minute videos. But anyhow, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this because we did have a lot of fun. And the look on Steve's face was priceless, man. So anyhow, we'll talk to you later. Remember, the Dude abides without kale.